Hi guys, welcome to the another session of trigonometry. So in the previous session we just discussed about the specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and what are the trigonometric ratios values for those particular angles, right? And in today's session we will be discussing on problems on trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So in our previous session, what all the angles, and we know what are the values of each and every trigonometric ratios for those specific angles, right? So keeping those things in mind, in today's session we shall just start off the problems on trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay, so when it comes to the ratios of specific angles, I think you have all know what are the values, right? For 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and every trigonometric ratios values, sine, cos, tan, right? Cot, cosec, sec. Now keeping those values in mind, so in today's session let us solve some particular examples. Okay, now coming to our first problem. Okay, now the problem states, if, now the problem, I'll just write down the problem for you. If sine a minus b is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so now the problem is, if sine a minus b is equals to 1 by 2, okay, and cos a plus b is also equals to 1 by 2, where a plus b lies within lesser than or equal to 90 degree but greater than 0. Okay, and a is always greater than b, find a and b. Now this is the problem. Okay, now if sine a minus b is equals to half and cos a plus b is also equals to half, and a plus b is greater than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. Okay, sorry, it's not greater, it's lesser than or equal to 90 degree but greater than 0 degree, and a is always greater than b, so we need to find the value of a and b. Okay, so let's do it now. As we all know, cos sine a minus b is half, isn't it? So sine a minus b is half. Now since we have derived the trigonometric ratios, the value for trigonometric ratios, if you just go back and look into the chart or look into those trigonometric values, for sine 30 degree, the value is half, right? So the sine 30 degree, the value is half. So that means in place of a minus b, what do you have? It is 30 degrees. So a minus b is equals to 30. Simple. Now we shall move on to the cos. Now what is cos a plus b is also equals to half, isn't it? This is also equals to be half. Now we know that what is cos 60 degree. These are all the ready answers, so should by this time we need to know the each and every values, right? Now what is sine cos 60 degree? That is also equal to be half, isn't it? Simple. Now over here a plus b is 60, Are you getting it, guys? Look at that, how simple it is. Now a plus b is 60 degree. Now by solving this, now if I consider this as 1 and if I consider this as 2, now by solving these two examples, so what we'll be getting, which is nothing but 2a is equals to 90, a is nothing but 45 degree. Simple. If a is 45, what should be the b then? B is 15 degree. Correct. Because a plus b is 60 or a minus b is 30. So 30 minus 45 is minus 15. So b will be 15. So minus minus get cancelled out. You will be getting as 15 degree. Simple. Problem looks very simple, isn't it? Now let us solve some more problems now. Now let us solve another problem, which is a very simple problem. Look guys, in these topics, the one of the main thing what you should have, you need to visualize the sum. Okay, so you need to think about the values. So over here, only applying the values is what is more important. And once you have applied the values, it's all the basic mathematics. Simple. Now let's just solve another example. Now the example or the sum states sine 2a, okay, is equals to 2 sine a is true. Now this is true. Okay, when a is equals to what? Now if this is true, sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a, when it will be true? So that means we need to find out the value of a. Got it? Okay guys, so now we know the sum, which is sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a. So this is true when a is equals to what? Correct, this was the sum. Now we have how many angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now you apply each one the value of a. Now take the value of a as 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now check for which value you get both LHS and RHS equal. LHS and RHS equal. Now if a is 0 degree, now sine 2a or anything which is 0, this will be 2 into sine 0. We know sine 0 is 0, so 0 is equals to 0. Now look, on the first attempt itself you have got it, right? So LHS is equals to RHS. Simple. Look how simple it goes. Now that is why you need to know the basics very well. So when you just know the basics very well, you can just play with the sums just like that. Alright? Now let's just solve another sum. If tan a plus b is equals to root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3. Find a plus b, guys. The same condition, a plus b is greater than or lesser than or equal to 90 degree, but definitely greater than 0 degree. So this is your sum. So what you need to find? A and b. You need to find what are the values of a and b. Now let's just start the sum. Now what is tan a minus, or sorry, a plus b, which is nothing but root 3, is it? And now when will be the value, or for what value of trigonometric of angle you get the trigonometric ratio as root 3? For tan 60 degree, correct? Do you remember it? So only for tan 60 degree you get the value of root 3. So therefore a plus b is 60 degree. Simple. Now the same thing, remember the first sum how we solved it? Same thing guys, very much, pretty much same thing. Tan a minus b is 1 by root 3, right? This was the sum. Now for what value of tan, the angle, you get the value of 1 by root 3. This tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So therefore a minus b is also equals to 30 degree, right? Now the same thing guys, what we did in our first sum. Therefore 2a is equals to 90 and a equals to 45 degree. If a is 45, this implies that b is 15 degree. That's it. Look how simple it is. So this will be the end of the session of the sums or the problems related to the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So hope you all have understood it. So you just practice more and more sums. So if there are any doubts or any sum which has to be solved, please leave on a comment. Okay, so we'll be meeting in our next session, and make sure you're liking the video and subscribing it for all new notifications. Please do remember, you need to press that bell button. Okay, so never forget it. So thank you so much, have a great time.